In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your mileage using Expensify, a popular tool designed to simplify expense management. Our focus today is to understand how Expensify calculates mileage, streamlining the process of submitting accurate expense reports without the need for real-time tracking. Let's get started from your workspace. As you open Expensify, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, the hub of operations where all your tasks begin. Here, the first thing you should locate is the plus icon nestled in the lower left corner of the workspace. This little symbol is your gateway to creating new expenses and documents, so go ahead and give it a click. Next, you'll want to select the Create Expense option. This choice will open a menu that allows you to begin the process of logging various types of expenses. The feature we are focusing on today, however, is the mileage tracker, which is conveniently found under the Distance option. Click on it, and you'll be all set to enter your travel details. Once you're on the distance tracking page, it's time to input your journey's specifics. Start by entering your point of origin and your destination. As soon as you've done this, you'll notice something quite nifty. Expensify automatically calculates the mileage for you. This feature takes the guesswork out of tracking how far you've traveled, ensuring you get precise measurements without the mental math. Once you confirm the starting point and destination, click on Next to continue. At this stage, you're presented with the option to input a description for your journey. While this step isn't mandatory, it can be incredibly helpful, especially if you need to submit detailed expense reports later. Think of it as leaving a helpful note for your future self, or for the manager approving your expenses. Describe the purpose of your trip, why you traveled from point A to point B. Entering this information can make the approval process quicker and more transparent should any queries arise. With all your details carefully entered, the final step is straightforward. Hit Save. This action will securely save your expense entry into the system. You can rest easy knowing that your mileage information is now safely logged within Expensify, ready to be referenced whenever you need it. By utilizing Expensify's mileage tracking, you can ensure your travel expenses are reported accurately and efficiently. It's a handy feature indeed that can save you time and provide peace of mind. There's no need to worry about manual calculations or overlooking any important details. Remember, a little diligence in entering your data correctly can smooth the way for seamless invoicing and reimbursement down the line. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling.